Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fridge purge and clean. We had lots of leftovers after the holidays, not to mention your expired condiments and whatnot, and I was thinking that the first of the year would be a great time to clean out the fridge and start fresh. The first thing I like to do when I'm cleaning out the fridge is take everything off as many shelves as I can so that I know what I have, what I don't have, and it gives me an opportunity to wipe everything down and sanitize. As you guys can see, I wasn't lying. There were bowls and bowls of leftovers. Hey! Now I've grabbed my Clorox Anywhere hard surface spray and I'm spraying down the shelves and wiping those down. I've been using this since my son was born because it is safe to use around kids, pets, and food, and it helps sanitize and disinfect the area. Hope you guys enjoy seeing my little Wookiee as he walks through. Liam got this Wookiee onesie for Christmas and he just can't seem to stay out of it. He loves it so much. Before I clean out all of the bowls that I removed, I start loading back the bottled water and the milk and the juice and everything that does need to go back so it can stay cold. We always keep our top shelf stocked with water just to stay hydrated. And here's the gross part, putting everything down the garbage disposal. Now we are heading back over to the fridge where I'm going to take a look at all of the condiments in the door of the fridge just to get an idea of what's expired so that I know what I need to pick up at the grocery store. I also like to use this time to reorganize the condiments, so things that I use more often I place on the upper shelves and things that I don't use as much usually go on the bottom shelf. Mom tip here, ever buy something your kids don't like? Just ask your mom friends if their kids will enjoy it. I bought these Go-Go squeezes and they're apple banana instead of just apple, and Liam doesn't like them, so I hit up one of my mom friends and asked if her kids would enjoy them. Yay! Alright friends, friends, that does it for this short and sweet fridge purge and clean as I take you guys over to look at the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gives you some ideas of how to get your fridge clean and organized. Let me know in the comments below how you do this and what works for you, cleaning products, organization, whatever it is. I'd love to hear it. I'll see you guys in the next one.